Watch out, Wall! Yeah! Bow and arrow! Hee-yah! Hee-yah! Now! Hee-yah!
You doing what now?
I'm coding, Dad. See, you use these commands to tell that little guy what to do.
The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you.
The future of drone racing is now with Skyviper Hover Racer. Place beacons to build your course, launch the app, and start the race. The digital beacons track your time and position as you fly. Collect power-ups, trigger the boost, and slingshot ahead. Pick up digital weapons to lock onto your opponent and take them out of the race. Be the first to cross the line and finish what you started.
Meet Zoomer Chimp. He's the wildest, craziest, most lifelike chimp around. And he's excited to be your new primate. Zoomer Chimp moves just like a real chimp on all fours, flipping and rolling. Even more amazing, he uses true balance technology to stand up and move all on his own. Whoa. Zoomer Chimp performs over 100 wild tricks and responds to 10 easy-to-remember voice commands like flip. He can even sense his surroundings and follow your movements. He's following you. Zoomer Chimp is full of untamed fun.
Who's America's top robot? And they're off! Mebo's streaming video keeps us in on the action. Here comes Balance Bot. Ooh! Mebo's on the approach. And in position.
I totally failed that test. If my parents find out...
Oh, they will.
Did that just come from Mebo's?
Introducing Laser X. It's the ultimate high-tech game of tag. Select Team Red or Blue, or go rogue and blast anyone. With an unlimited number of players, you can play one-on-one or take on the whole neighborhood. You'll get pinpoint accuracy up to 200 feet. The vests count your hits, and the blaster's power indicator shows you when to reload. And the interactive voice coach keeps you focused on the game. Laser X, inside or out, day or night. It's like a laser arena right in your backyard.
What
do you get when you cross a radioactive spider with a socially challenged teenager? So, are we gonna do something or what?
Tell me a story.
A story? Yeah, I got one for you. Let me tell you the one that started it all. So, a few months ago, my class went on a little school field trip to Oscorp. So yeah, that's how all of this happened.
Tell me a joke.
Okay, how many tickles does it take to make Doc Ock laugh? 10 tickles. Because of the tentacles? Ow, my organ!
Let's fight bad guys.
Let's! There's a bank robbery in progress at Midtown Savings and Loan. Attack! Hi there. We'd like to withdraw some felons.
Guard my room.
Guard your room? You got it, partner. A supervillain approaches. Hey-ya!
What time is it?
It's time to fight crime! Woohoo! Oh, you were actually asking. It's 1:36.
Let's play a game.
All right, it's trivia time. J. Jonah Jameson is the editor of which newspaper?
The Daily Bugle.
The Daily Bugle is the one. Good job.
Control them with your smart device, and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki OVERDRIVE starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki OVERDRIVE app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just the starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki OVERDRIVE offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go it solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into Open Play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality.